What's up, guys? Joe Kennedy here. Now, we've all been there. You get home, you open the door, you look up, and what do you see?
Oh no.
Alright, let's see what we're looking at here. Yeah, we can see some discoloration there. Definitely a little bit of damage. Some discoloration. Around this light as well. A couple of spots here. Let's get another good look at that. Okay, so that's dry at this point. All in all, not too bad. So let's show you how to fix this up. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is use your joint knife, scraper, or razor blade, whatever you got. You want to get in here and scrape away anything loose. Get rid of anything that's going to come out too easily. Come across like this. I'll do that real quick. Now I'm going to use a little bit of my all-purpose joint compound, and I'm going to put that in there, a little bit of lead. Smooth that down. Try to get it nice and flat. Since this is a shallow patch, but it's pretty big in size, I'm going to go ahead and embed some fiber tape in there. Just lightly coat over it again to cover it up. Now this time, I want to smooth it out. I don't want to go completely flat. I want to feather it out a little bit. Cover up that checkerboard pattern of the tape. Light pressure with your knife. Now you can still see it a little bit. You can always put more mud on. Go nice and light. Okay, this is dry and it looks pretty good. There's a little bit of texture on this ceiling already. So I'm gonna sand it, but I'm not gonna do too much. I don't wanna get it super smooth. I want it to blend in with the texture that's already here. So I'm just gonna touch around the edges a little bit to smooth it out. And that's about it. I sprayed the area with a stain blocking primer, then I applied 2 coats of white sealing paint. There it is, all done, you can't even see it.